Hi. A short, helpful video. One time, my garage neighbor ran into me and said he watched my video about replacing the fuel filter on a 1.6 HDI engine, about the Chinese clips, and he just didn't understand one thing: how exactly do you change them? Just so you know, here's the video. For those who haven't seen it, check the link, they'll be in the description. And here's the link to those retainers. So, there's nothing complicated at all. When you have the Chinese retainers in your hands, you just take them and break off the originals. First, one piece will break off, then the second piece will break off. And then it will be easier. The word break sounds strong, almost intimidating. Actually, they break off in a count of 1. Unfortunately, I didn't capture it on video, but believe me, it doesn't require much brain power at all. The new ones are somewhat flexible for plastic, but the old originals are quite brittle. They break easily, as I mentioned before. Trying to come up with something and using a thin screwdriver to find those retainers and carefully remove them, in my opinion, it's a more dangerous undertaking. Because this first ring, where the retainer or stopper is inserted, is also plastic. It is a separate part. And something tells me that you shouldn't go poking around there unnecessarily. One of the nuances of the job is that when you're breaking and removing the old retainer, make sure that its pieces don't fall inside the cover. Well, that's about it. Oh, actually, since you're already in there, you might as well wipe everything down to get rid of the dirt. It definitely won't hurt. Now that's definitely everything. Once again, all the links are in the description. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye. Taking this opportunity, I would like to thank my sponsors for supporting the channel. So what I'm doing is liked by some and is interesting to others. If the video you're watching turned out to be not completely useless for you, if you want to support the channel, there's a link in the video description with all the details. Well, and of course a very nice bonus for all the sponsors.